Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EEGI. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Did this one yesterday, so that's where these green and red lines are coming from. But certainly want to get things updated. I mentioned yesterday it's always worthwhile to do a video or to really just keep an eye on 000 stocks that do over a billion shares. And today it did not only over a billion, but even more so than yesterday in terms of volume. So another big volume move, and actually made a solid jump. But the bulls just couldn't quite maintain the progress that they made. But as I talked about in yesterday's video, in my opinion, as far as if you care about the bigger picture of things, it's not really about breaking levels of resistance at this point in time. It's about simply building higher bases, because when you have those higher bases, you have stair steps, and then as stair steps increase over time, that's how long-term uptrends are built. And on that note, the bulls did a very good job. You can see the bears press it down here and try to get it down through that 0002. But the bulls did a fantastic job of holding strong as support. So yeah, don't get me wrong. I mean, it was a good sign that the price was able to make a run up to 0006. That shows that the price is still able to move. But again, and I'm assuming you care about the big picture of things. If you're just a day trader and a scalper, then yeah, you probably could care less about 0002. But if you do care about the overall picture and want to see those long-term uptrends start to get built, you got to build those higher staircases. And like I said, today was the first day of that. So going forward, 0002 really still does, in my opinion, remain, the key level from the quote-unquote storybook perspective, because, that's going to tell us whether or not the price is making progress. Because last thing you want to see is see the price fall back inside of the dreaded 0001, 0002 channel. Like I said, bears tried to do that, but the bulls said, no, we're not going to have any of that. The price did close up there at 0004, so that still remains a level of resistance. Had the price closed above it, then yeah, this would, the foundational rule in technical analysis of resistances turning into supports could go into play. But because it closed right at it, you still got to give the edge to the bears right now and call this a level of resistance. But there's no doubt about it. I would fully agree with people saying, well, I would say the resistance was at least weakened today. Yeah, I would fully agree with that. Resistance was weakened, but still got to consider it a level of resistance. In regards to levels of, or I should say next levels of resistance, pretty much already gave our answer here. And it does make good sense why 0006 did act as resistance. If you look back here through the history of the chart, you can see there's some times here where the price, tried to make moves up above it and couldn't quite do it. So 0006, the next overall level of resistance, still got to get, some solidified gains up above 0004, get some closes up above there. But at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps maintaining above 0002, that's the key in order to build that long-term uptrend. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.